Struggling to lose weight but keep regaining it? You're not alone. Millions face this frustrating cycle. One mistake might be holding you back. Imagine finally shedding those stubborn 15 pounds without starving yourself or exhausting workouts. Today we reveal the truth behind why most diets fail and how a simple shift can change everything. Stay with me until the end because there's a secret trick that'll help you burn fat faster while boosting your energy. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Weight loss is one of the most popular goals worldwide, yet so many struggle to keep the weight off. You've tried every diet, followed every trend, and still find yourself in the same cycle, losing weight only to gain it back. But what if the problem isn't you? Today we'll break down the science behind weight loss and reveal the hidden mistake that could be sabotaging your progress. We'll explore how to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and avoid common pitfalls, all while keeping you energized throughout the day. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal a secret that could completely change how you lose weight. Let's start with the basics, calories in versus calories out. It sounds simple, right? You eat food which gives you energy, calories, and you burn those calories by moving and functioning. If you want to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume, a concept called calorie deficit. But here's the catch. What you eat and how you burn calories matters. Not all calories are created equal. Some foods help you burn fat while others encourage fat storage. Foods like proteins and whole grains have something called a thermic effect of food, TEF, which means your body burns more calories digesting them. If you want to shed weight faster, these foods are your secret weapon. But that's not all. Your body also burns calories just by staying alive, keeping your heart beating, breathing, and digesting. This is called your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Even while you sleep, you're burning calories. But what if you could burn more? A simple addition to your routine can give you an energy boost, speed up your metabolism, and make burning calories easier, without exhausting workouts. Now, what about exercise? Of course, moving your body is important, but you don't need to overcomplicate it. Whether you enjoy running, dancing, or even just walking, the key is to stay active and find something you love. Curious about that secret trick I mentioned earlier? There's something you can add to your morning routine that works with your body's natural fat-burning processes. Click the link in the description to learn more. So to sum it up, losing weight isn't just about following extreme diets or killing yourself in the gym. It's about creating a calorie deficit, eating smart, and staying active. Prioritize whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats, and avoid the common pitfalls that lead to weight gain. And remember, there's a simple way to turbocharge your results without the stress. Click the link in the description to discover the secret trick to burning fat faster. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you found this helpful.